Is implementing a CMMS system. There's a bunch. And that's a little bit more of a longer question to answer because it could be a bunch of things. It could be you have bad data now. You have low utilization of the information that you have. You don't have anything to put into a system that makes the system work. So you're starting from scratch. So that means there's a lot more heavy lifting when you first put the system in. Other challenges of putting the system in is making sure that the user interface is something that your technicians and planners can actually use, and it's not overly complicated. Another challenge of implementing a system is, did I buy a system that was appropriate for the organization today and 5 years from now, or did I buy one that's ready for 5 years from now from a technological standpoint? And I've really got to figure out how to get these people that I'm expecting to use this system from, I don't know anything about this system, I don't use it, to I'm an expert using computers and I do it fluently every day, all the time. And then the next layer of that is the data that I have from my asset hierarchy, from my inventory, bills and materials, my PMs, my PM schedules. Do I have all that ready? And is it clean and ready to be used? And if not, then there's a lot of work that has to happen up front that if you don't, and you just kind of shove all that data into your brand new system that you just paid hundreds of thousands of dollars for, or even millions in some cases, then you just made bad things happen faster by putting new software in place and nobody's wanting to use it anyway.